This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something really interesting from Indonesia. This is Ginding with their Cuanki Express. What the heck is that? What's Cuanki? Do you know? It's Indonesian. It's got like tofu and stuff and things, and it's amazing. I tried one that was called, what is it, Batagor something. I can't remember what the other one was. These came from, oh, and it comes with a spoon. These came by way of Ferengi. She's part of the whole Section 42 aspect of the Ramen Junkies group, and it's, what do you call it? She's an admin. So yeah. She's part of the solution. And today is an amazingly crazy day. Look at these things. They're like little pieces of, does this one have noodle in it? Some of them have noodle and some of them don't. And I think Cuanki usually does. Oh wow, there's all sorts of little bits in here. We're going to put all this stuff in the cup. This one doesn't seem to have noodle in it, but if you were in Indonesia, you would find this kind of stuff in the noodle, or with noodle. Yeah, yeah. I'm like really excited, and I know some of you won't be excited, but I don't know what to tell you. And you're probably going to be like, I tuned to this show to hear about something fascinating from Indonesia, but you're going to get an earful of something else too, so don't worry. It's going to be okay. So it is one day. It's a Friday. And in the case of Donald J. Trump versus the state of New York for overvaluing properties, there's like breaking news all over the place. It's like, it's crazy. He just got charged about, I think it was like $350 million and can't do commerce or run a business in New York for 3 years. It's like, dude, wow. Some people will be very sad about this, say it's a witch hunt, it's all bad. Don't be a sucker. Don't be a sucker. Come on. You know better. You're watching my show. You know better. And you can stop if you want to. That's fine. If you don't like the fact that I talk politics once in a while, that's just fine. Watch something else. You don't have to announce, really liked it, take it off now. You talked politics, I'm done. Just be done. It's fine. I respect your opinion to not want to hear what my opinion is. That's fine. I don't care. Anyways, so yeah, I'm like absolutely thrilled. I think the guy's a frickin' scumbag, and he really is doing quite a deep grift on people, and it's not very nice. So we will see. You know, I guess the problem he's gonna have is he's got to pay out $350 million. That's a lot. That's like selling off all your assets, but he probably is going to want to appeal. And I think what you have to do to appeal, if I'm correct, I'm not a legal scholar, what you would have to do is put up 10% in bond, which is $35 million, and you would have to back that up with an asset that's worth $35 million. So I'm guessing that's Mar-a-Lago and maybe something else. I mean, that's rough. And generally, cases like this, from what I've heard, you can appeal them, but the likelihood that it's going to switch the outcome, slim, very slim. So I think probably the best bet for that guy would be to pay it. So, which he's not going to want to do. I wouldn't want to, you know. One thing, he's been throwing out this, if it can happen to me, it can happen to you. Dude, I'm not overvaluing properties that I own or for getting good loan rates, and I'm not undervaluing them to get out of paying taxes. So it's like, no, they won't come after me for that because I'm not doing that crap. I'm not trying to, yeah. So anyways, I'll leave it at that. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm dancing in the street. I'm very happy. Justice is served. Some people will disagree with that. That is your right, and that's cool. We don't need to go any further. I respect your opinion. I know that's not any fun, but that's just the deal. Because we live in America where we can have different opinions, right? Can't we? Isn't that okay still? No? I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that you disagree with that. So, well, anyways, wow, look at this. So you would find this in Indonesia with the instant noodles. And it's like dry. I had it, yeah, the Batagor one, Qua Express or whatever. See, look at this. Here's one. It's tofu, but it's like fried chicken flavor. A little bit spicy. And it's really neat. Where's that other? Yeah, what do we got here? Oh my god. That tastes like fried chicken. Like spot on. Wow. The broth. Right there. Spicy, salty, very salty. Fried chicken. It's good. Dare I say wondrous. Wow. By the way, I fixed my tripod. I need to get another one, but times have been tough. Times have been tough. You know, I owe $350 million. Maybe you can support me on the $350 million I owe. It's all a big sham. It's a scam. No, I don't. And I've gotten a lot of help. We've actually been had some serious money issues currently. And hopefully those will be doing much better by the time you see this. That would make me happy. A little spring onion right there. We got some seeds. Adding some seeds. And adding some crushed red pepper once I get to it. Oh yeah, that's right. I got something else to add too. Because I looked up how they do. I think I timed it pretty well. There is a fried friznide isneg. So what happened with the tripod, or it's a monopod, so it's just a swing arm that this thing hangs out on, right? And what happened with it was there's a pin in the back, and the pin in the back found its way out. I don't have the bolt that goes on the other side, and it's just, honestly, it's just easier to get a new one. The other one, I did get a new one a while back, but the problem with that one is that it, oh god, this isn't open. I didn't just spill that all over, did I? The problem is that the one that I got is way, the arm is way too bigger. Can't even talk. I'm just so excited. There's some fried onion for you. The reason that the other one, it's just too big, so I can't have it back far enough for the deal. But anyways, let's allow this rotato to rotate, and yeah, here we go. All right, the next one you're gonna see is one from Japan. This came by way of a Zen Pop ramen subscription box. This is Myojo Shokuhin with their, what is it? It's a tonkatsu. Full name and title. So there you go. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.